come at the top and make another video right fast. Just imagine if we had some water to swim. Yep.
That was real different. It's something.
It's
Something.
It's something gray. I don't know what that is.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's little fishes. They're just moving really fast. They're little fishes.
Yep.
It's something over there bigger though. Right in there. I can't tell what it is.
You running like it's gonna jump up here with
No,
us.
I'm actually trying to get the angle on the water correct because I can't see into the water. From right there, you can't see. But if the further down you move, the less refraction off
What
the
Macy
water.
talking about? Look, Macy got this slap, y'all. Got this slap today. She don't know how to shake it though, y'all. It's okay. She gonna twerk for another video for y'all. She don't know how to twerk for y'all. She gonna do it another time.
I ain't got Megan knees yet.
Alright, on to the next spot. More banana spiders.
Wait, where?
Straight ahead. You got something there. You're gonna have to take a little duck right here.
See, Woo-Woo, you fucked up.
For real.
Because you showed me that, and now I'm not gonna go under.
If you go under it, it ain't gonna mess with you.
What?
Mesa, come on, man. Come on now. She worried about that. She's supposed to be a country guy. I'm the city boy. Come on now. We're gonna run through it. It's taller than us. Oh, so are we going around then?
You get my mind together.
It's taller than us. Come on. You want to see me do it first?
Nope, I want you to walk through it with me.
All right, come on then. Hold my hand. Now let go. Ooh. And then look what happened. Nothing. Oh,
That's pretty.
that's another trail to the water. You wanna go through there?
It's a lot of touchy-feely things.
Hmm?
It's a lot of touchy-feely shits.
No. Okay, come on. Yeah, it's not enough grassy spots for me to do my yoga out here, but it's very secluded. Secluded. Like not that many people out here. But if they do see me, they'll be like, "What the hell are you doing?"
Whatever cicada sound like a goddamn ringing bell, it got my ears ringing.
Well, look at that bird.
It feels like my ears are ringing.
What's that bird? What pretty little bird? It was a red bird. I don't know what it was. It's still there. A cardinal. You see it? She said this is the life of a vlogger.
I see it over there now.
That thing pretty. Pretty.
I looked in the direction you were pointing and saw a spider.
It's all in your leg. It's all in your head.
No, it's not. Now my scalp won't stop itching. There's his bag.
We got another little bridge.
Another little walkway.
Two thick ass webs created by thick ass banana spiders.
I can't exactly. I can't promise you that I won't hyperventilate if I get stuck in the web for that. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm glad I wore pants instead of shorts because I can't feel it through my feet.
We should have just left you at home, man. This should have been a Wilbur trip.
I wanted to come out here.
Wilbert Williams Jr., if y'all didn't know my real name.
Well, you still learning some stuff.
Hey. All right. I guess I'll holler at y'all until I see some more scenery stuff. Well, yeah, this is what I'm doing today. Adventure time. Will&Passion will involve out here in the parks. Out here with Mother Nature. So, having fun. Like I said, still trying to find me a spot where I can do my yoga, which I could do my meditations, definitely. on one of those docks, so that's not a problem with the meditation. It might not be a problem with the yoga. Why are you saying shit? Is that a bad thing? Crows and spider monkeys. She says, I said spider monkeys. Huh? I hear crickets.
No, it sounds like running water, but it could just be a truck over there running.
Yeah, something like over there. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. But because I want them to see me too, man. This beautiful face. Click what button?
Just flip the camera.
I can't do this on this phone.
Double tap the screen.
Miss Technology lady. She tried to tell me how to do my own phone. No, no, it's my video. It won't do it. Don't exit out my video because it seems like we're about to come up with some good stuff. Like that right there.
iPhone suck.
And you talking like Android people trying to talk about how to use an iPhone. Get your ass back.
My phone at least takes some decent videos.
It does. What you trying to say? iPhone don't take good videos? So this is an
You can't switch between cameras easily.
No, this is an iPhone 5 though. So.
There's an 8 Plus, sir.
Uh-oh.
Still sorry.
My bad, y'all. My bad. She's a technology lady, so I can't even say the wrong iPhone as a joke. What's this over here?
Trash. It was like a whole sink.
Okay.
Something fell on me.
So y'all heard one incident already. She screaming off of nothing.
Something fell on me, nigga!
It ain't nothing on you, man. It's all in your leg. Come on. It's all in her leg. She's screaming super hard. You good, ain't it nothing? If it was, I just shook it off. Ba, ba, da, ba.
Man, it felt hard like this. Something shitted on me. It felt hard.
Probably the trees.
Why trees shit on me though?
They were shedding
Shit. That's why they do leaves.
in the bark.
Oh, we already come back around?
Fell on you. I wouldn't mind walking on that. I said I wouldn't mind walking on that.
Yeah, you see?
That's a squirrel.
I think a squirrel dropped a whole fucking nut
He
on
just
me.
dropped a nut on you. That's what happened.
They don't do that at the house. Them squirrels are civilized.
It was a squirrel that dropped a nut on her and wanted to see her scream.
Yeah, that's how. They be knowing. They see black folks come through here and be like, let's get that bitch. White folks ain't gonna be scared by no shit like that. They gonna look up and try to find out where it came from.
Cause you sure scream.
Oh, they been munching on these pine cones.
They gotta eat, even though they ate. Ain't my birthday, but I got the name on the cake.